guys, my name's Zara. I study International Development with Economics at Bath and I'm a second year student. Today I'm going to be taking you through my favourite recipe, which is a salmon stir fry. It's super quick, super easy and super cheap. So these are all the ingredients that you need. In terms of fresh ingredients, I probably spent about £2 on the salmon, the cabbage, the bean sprouts and the peas. And these are all flavourings over here. So I preheated the oven to 180 degrees and I've just made a foil parcel for the salmon. I'm going to put it in there for about 10 to 15 minutes. So whilst the salmon is cooking, I'm going to prepare the cabbage and the onion. So I prepared about half the cabbage and half an onion. I put another half in there ready for another meal. And I'm going to put the onion into this pan which has a bit of wok oil and cook until it's brown. I have added the bean sprouts and the peas and I'm going to cook for a further 3 to 4 minutes. To make the noodles, I've measured out 50 grams of them, which is about a quarter of the pack, and I'm just going to put them in some boiling water. These ones take about 9 minutes, so I put them in after the salmon's had 5 minutes. So now the veg is ready, I'm just going to add some turmeric, some paprika, and some cumin. So as you can see, I just do some rough sprinkles, which is about a teaspoon of each. Noodles are done. I like to add a teaspoon of this, but you can also add a teaspoon of soy sauce just to give them some extra flavour. So everything is ready now, so I'm just going to plate it up, starting with the veg, then the noodles and the salmon. So here we have a nice salmon stir fry with about 3 of your 5-a-day veg, carbs and good source of protein. So cooking from scratch has some great benefits. Firstly, it's an amazing thing to do with your flatmates. It's really good fun and it can help you get to know them better. Also, you have more control of what you're putting in your recipes, so they tend to be healthier and you tend to get your veg and your carbs and your protein. And also, it's just such a good way to work on your well-being and be healthier.